Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see the pencil icon. You need to tap over there. Now here you need to write down anything that you want to post. For example, I am going to post this one, but currently it's evening. I would like to schedule this post for tomorrow morning. Now, in order to do that, you need to tap on the clock icon at the top right. And here now you need to schedule the time. Now, firstly, you need to tap on the date option and simply choose the date. After you are done, you need to simply set the time. After you are done, you need to simply tap on next. Now the schedule has been set. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is tap on the schedule. And now you can see that the post has been scheduled. And this is how easily you can schedule a post on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.